In this instructional video, I will demonstrate how to fold your paper for another snowflake for every season pattern. So the first thing you do is you photocopy the pattern you wish to cut. Once you have it photocopied, you will first fold on this center line here. So you're going to flip your design over and you're going to fold that your paper up, making sure that the gray line is in the fold. Once that is done, then the second fold is you're going to fold along this line here, the diagonal line that you see. You fold it up. You make sure that the point is perfectly lined up, and you line up your design. You should be able to see the gray line as you're folding, and then you crease the left hand side. Flip your design over, put your finger nail on the point, making sure that that's lined up first. Once that's finished, line up the rest and crease on the left. And that is, your design is now ready to be